Fine. Very good evening, everyone. Is my voice is clear to you? Hello, very good evening, everyone. Is my voice is clear? Hello, am I audible? 150 604 623 631 622 630 five
Yes,
seventy
sir.
nine. Okay, fine. Thank you. Thank you so much for giving the confirmation. Fine. So in the last class, we have worked with some different package. That package like YouTube downloader we have seen. Okay. So today we are working with the other two different modules we are working. How those modules we can install into our system. That modules how we can utilize. It's like a practice purpose. That's it. Okay. So now at the very first, let me open the PyCharm. Yes, the PyCharm is started. You can observe. And after that, whatever the packages we have to install, that we have to search in the internet. So whether the good documentation, proper documentation, the modules who is created, those people are providing, or any other resources we can refer a search in the internet, we have to check first. Okay. So now in the last 1 minute, in the last class we have seen with which one? YouTube downloader, the same concept here. So let's go with the official website where exactly we can find the libraries we can install on our system. The official website name is what? PYPI, which means what? Python Package Index. Now we can see the Python Package Index. So here, like many libraries, you will get a data science, artificial intelligence, deep learning, all the modules you can get here. So today, so I just wanted to work with the module name is what? Removing bad words. Okay. So let's see the topic here. So daily we will chat with some our friends. Now we can see it's exactly chatting. Okay. So it's maybe a WhatsApp chat, Instagram chat, tweets, anything, any chat we can consider over the chat. In the chat, the people are sending bad words. Okay. Bad words, any type of bad word the people are sending. Okay. So sender is fine. But the receiver, some girls, maybe some boys also, they are like not receiving the bad words properly. They are not understanding in the good way. So they are understanding the bad words. It may lead to some complaint also sometimes. Okay. The thing here it is what? Why can't we can identify? Yes. Why can't we can identify bad word? Yes, you are identify the bad word. Okay, fine. That bad word, can you replace here? It is possible. Yes, the bad word you can replace with the different types of strings. Like we can use what the stars, we can use dollars, we can use. We can replace with the different words. We can replace with stars. We can replace with the dollar, hashes, any symbol we can replace. So if you are replacing the exactly bad words, these things, now the other side receiver person is thinking whether it is a good bad word or whether it is a bad word. Now we can see is not understanding the word very clearly. This situation you can take it as a mini project also. It's a mini project idea actually. It's a mini project idea. You can implement this up to like the major project also you can implement. So the same thing you can integrate with the WhatsApp, the same thing you can integrate with the Insta, the same thing you can integrate the Facebook chat. Okay. So really it's a good feature. Now. So here, how you can identify the bad words? Now we can see here, just search in the internet. Now we can see like the multiple packages we are able to see. You can see. Okay. So if you are searching all these things, really you won't get any idea. You can see bad words. Now we can see there is no documentation. You can see Now we can see bad words place and there is no other documentation. If you install this package, you don't know how to write the code also. Okay. So this is really not suggested. Bad 1.2.1. Now we can see. So this is also up to some implementation here. It is it. Bad word 0.0.1. Now we can see this is also some small text here. It is there. Okay. So this particular situation, you required what? A proper training here it is required. Okay. So for that, which bad word, which packages here it is required. The package name is what? The profanity. So you can search in the internet what is profanity. Profanity meaning in Telugu also you can identify. Now we can see asabhyata. So you can see here also called is what? The cursing, swearing, bad language, abusing language, foul language, okay, like vulgarity. Okay. So the official name we can call it as what? The profanity. So you can search here profanity or you can search or you can search for the better profanity also you can search. Both are fine. Okay. So now we can see at the very first better profanity is only one concept here. It is there. You can see profanity. So here you can identify the documentation. Now we can see the documentation is what? The very clear as well, very neat you can identify. Okay. So here pip install better profanity. You can search this. You can copy this as well. You can install and you can see the documentation, better profanity documentation, blazing, fast cleaning, like what? Swearing words. Okay, fine. Okay. So now we can see it supports modeling, modified the spellings. Now we can see it is really very good concept, you see. So some people are they are doing the thing. Now we can see, suppose you integrated this tool in the WhatsApp. So now we can see they are using the different keyword. Now we can see porn is available. You can see porn is there. Let us assume a bad word. In the O location, PORN, in the O location, the people are using zero you are using. So that is also now we can see it supports modified spelling also it is supporting you can see. Now we can see hand job. Okay. In the A location, the people are giving what? 4. Now we can see here also hand job. In the O location, the people are using what? 0. Bitch, you can see here, BITCH, bitch. Now we can see it is identifying. That is very good thing. So now pip install better profanity we have to use. Now we can see sample documentation also here it is a. Let's do it work now. So here how many ways we can install the packages, like the multiple ways. Now we can see here you can identify the terminal. Okay. So now we can see you will get a command prompt you will get. This is the command prompt only. Okay. So in the terminal you can copy this. Hey pip, install better profanity. Copy it here as well. You can paste it here, and you can press enter. This is one way. And the very best way is here it is what? You can search for the packages. Now we can see Python packages. So here you look for better profanity. So I think it is not identified. So now we can see just copy this name. Copy it. And here you can look for the profanity. Now we can see. Okay. So here you are getting in the indexing, you can see. Better profanity, fastest clearing swear bad words. Now we can see modified spellings. Yes, exactly. Our documentation here it is matching. So here you can click this install package, or you can click here install also. The both things is what? The fine. So just click the install option. What happened? Install 0.7.0. So on the bottom, you can identify installing package, better profanity. Click to see the all the running in the background. So now we can see, click show all. Now we can see it is installing as well updating. Launching skeleton, it is doing work. Yes, fine. Our bad words is like the better profanity is what the successfully is downloaded onto my computer. It's perfect now. So right click. So I just wanted to work with the another Python file. new. So let me create a simple Python file. So Python file, let me take it charting. Just enter. You no need to specify even .py also you no need to specify. It automatically works. Okay. So now the thing here we don't know how to write the code. Yes. We don't know how to write the code and how the modules will be available and everything. That is the reason documentation is required, you can see. Even 10 years, 15 years experience you are also having, the people don't work without the documentation. Okay. So documentation is what the really matters here. So now we can see after installation, you can see some usage concept here it is there. Okay. So now we can see your code here it is there as it is, you no need to use. Okay. So now we can say at the very first, from better profanity, let me import what the profanity. Okay, looks good. Now we can see here from better profanity, let me import profanity. Yes. So because we are working with which concept we are working, profanity concept we are working. Okay, fine. So here define charting here it is there, no problem. So let's take it with chart underscore message. Okay. So we can call it as what the charting message. CHATTING charting message. So this keyword, the particularly people are sending to other person. Let us assume. Okay. So let me identify the bad word here. Now we can see you are a piece of shit. Here it is a bad word. You can see. Copy this. See as it is we can use here. You. It's not a bad word. Piece, Piece, piece. Now we can see even you are not writing the exact as it is. But now we can see Piece, piece. Even they are using the modified keyword of okay, fine. SHIT, shit is a bad word. Let us assume shit is a bad word. Okay. So fine. So this exact message as it is receiving to the other person outside, it is receiving or not, some doubt. Okay. So here, let me do it the profanity. Profanity will come dot. See, profanity here it is there, but now we can see here profanity dot load sensor words here it is required. In the profanity, whatever the languages, all the languages loading sensor words, which means what the bad words. So you can identify, you can see load sensor words where it is available. Yes, load sensor words. Perfect. And after that, you can see the documentation. That's it. That's it. Only sensor words here it is loaded. You can see. Sensor words here it is loaded. That's it. Okay. See, after loading the sensor words, after loading only sensor words, we have to use what the profanity we have to use. Hey, profanity dot. So you can see here we have to use what the sensor we have to use here. Okay. So let's see here sensor we have to use CENSOR sensor. Sensor is fine. Sensor we have to use. What the sensor we have to pass to the profanity. That is what the charting underscore message. Now we can see charting underscore sender message. Let me sender message. So here also you can see charting underscore sender underscore message. Fine. So here profanity is identifying the bad word. Yes, it's automatically identify the bad word. And after that, the particular message will reach to the receiver word. Okay, now we can see charting underscore RECEIVE receive underscore message. Okay, so this particular message, how the customer is receiving, now we can see charting underscore receive message. So right click here, run this charting. Now we can see identified. So now we can see you are a piece of a shit here. It is there. You can see piece of fish is actually piece is a not bad word. Piece, it's a piece. Okay. So now we can see shit is a bad word. That bad word is replaced with what? Star, 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 star. Now the sender is sending the message, the bad word is sending, like you are a piece of a shit. But how the other side the customer is receiving, now we can see your piece of what? Star, 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 star. Now the receiver is understanding it is you are a, like I am a piece of love. I'm a piece of gold. I'm a piece of diamond. I'm a piece of a nature. So now we can see in the different way the receiver person he's understanding. Okay. So now no complexity will be taken care in the entire scenario. Okay. So in this way, we can remove what the bad words we can remove in the chatting. So let me write the document. It's very simple concept actually. And after that, we can work with the Instagram feature also. I don't know it is working or not. One particular time I have worked. I wanted to try it again. Go to website. Sorry. Go to website. Website name is what? This website. Okay. I'm not writing all the stuff like you have to go with the pypi dot you have to go. And after that, you can search for the better profanity. That is a different concept. In the last time we have discussed. And after reaching to the better profanity website, open PyCharm. PyCharm. Bottom location. Bottom location. So here you can identify what search Python packages. Bottom Python packages. Click it. Search for better underscore or profanity. Anything you can search. Profanity. And after that, install it. Yes, after that, you can happily install it. See, after the installation, how the code, now we can see the code is very simple. Already we have seen, you can see, copy it, we can paste it here. That's it. So you can see the other documentation also. Now we can see hand job also here it is there, you see. See, hand job also is a particularly bad word. And uh, you can see sensor, that particularly profanity sensor, it doesn't care about the word dividers. We can see. So dividers. Now we can see here shit. Now we can see shit is removed. You can see here shit shit. Now we can see shit is removed. You can see here. And hello cat here it is there. Now we can see fuck here it is there. Now we can see fuck also is replaced with the star 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 star. So it's not worrying about the even dividers and everything. Now, so custom characters. What is this custom characters? Okay. So now we can see even that lesbian did a hand job, not only that what's list, now we can see. So I can come with those features now. Now, sir, okay, sir, this profanity is a very good concept. So this profanity is loading what all the sensor words it is loading. Suppose while it is loading the bad words, latest bad words. See what is the latest bad words? I can tell you. So one fine day, I have visited one particular college for giving a demonstration on like the Amazon Web Services. So that particular day, I have to like actually I have to discuss about the server concept. So that particular moment, I'm asking a simple question like what is server? So whenever I'm asking the one particular student, the other students are laughing like if I'm asking the server, it is not a joke, but why you people are laughing? I have asked. So now we can see that particular situation they have told to me in the class. So actually, it is a bad word, sir. Server means Server can handle what? Multiple clients, multiple computers, it can be handled, right? So he server means the concept means he is handling what? Multiple girls. She server means she is handling what? Multiple boys. In his opinion, like they have discussed. So in the same way, they have discussed the new bad word like bilart. Okay. Suppose what happen if the people are coming with the latest bad words? Our profanity won't identify it. Yes. Yes, 100% is our profanity will not be identified the latest bad words. So that latest bad words, how the profanity will be understand. Okay. So now we can see here custom words. Custom words you can provide, or latest bad words also you can provide. Okay. So now we can see I am writing some few latest bad words I am writing here. So now we can see, let's say studying. Yes, studying is also a bad word. Just let I'm kidding. Now we can say studying is also bad word. Let us assume. And writing assignment is a bad word. And after that, drinking is also bad word. Let us assume. Love also is a bad word. And after that, server is also bad word. Let us see. Okay. So these are latest bad words, custom words, how our profanity will be identified. Okay. So it's a very simple. You can go with the documentation and you can check every data is available. You can see here. Okay. So custom bad words here it is available. I have created a custom bad word like happy, jolly, merry. The three things is what the latest bad word. Hey, profanity. Okay. So load sensor words you are loading, right? That particular movement you can use what the custom bad words also we can use. Okay. Load sensor words, that particular movement you can use what custom words also we can use it. The remaining concept is what the same. Hey profanity dot sensor. Whatever the chatting message you are sending, chatting sender message, I'm passing here. And after that, we are getting the receiver message we are getting and we are presenting in the message. Okay. So now we can see, let me write here some latest scenario. He loves, he loves server to do his assignment while studying. So now we can see all the custom words I'm trying to use here, you can see. Okay. So now we can see love concept we are using, server concept we are using, assignment we are using, studying we are using. Okay. Drinking I'm not using here. I think you will get one idea. Okay. So now we can see that particular message he is sending to the another person. It's a sender message and how the receiver is message receiving. You can see here. Right click. So run this application. Now we can see he loves. Now we can see. So loves star star star. Now we can see server. Where is the server? You can see here server. Server is identity. Now we can see. Let me use love. You can use right click, run. Now we can see. So he dash dash dash. Now we can see why love is a bad word. Server also is a bad word. Now we can see star star. To do his. Now we can see to do his. Assignment. Assignment also is a bad word. Now we can see stars. While studying. Studying is also bad word. Now we can see studying is also replaced. You can see. So in this way, we can add what our custom words also we can add to the profanity. Okay. So added to this one, there is another concept is available. Every time loading sensor words is not suggested. Here you can see here load concept only is available. But previously we have worked with the other concept also. Now we can see add sensor words also here it is available. Okay. So now we can see while you are loading sensor words, we are using the custom words and profanity dot add sensor words also it is working. Now we can see right click here, run as. Now we can see same. The concept is working same. You can see. Now we can see both the links is working fine. Exactly, we are getting the proper output. So we can add latest bad words to which is not available in a dictionary, which is not available in the dictionary. It's a very simple concept, removing bad words. Removing bad words in charting, Python code. Okay. So actually, if you have a great vision, you can implement this as a mini project as well, main project. Okay, fine. So now I have to discuss with the another scenario. Okay. So the scenario in the olden days, at the time of like 4 years back, this concept is working. I don't know whether the same concept is working today or not. I don't know. I don't have any confidence, but we can try it. We can try. Absolutely, we can try. So that is what first we have to log in with the Instagram. So let's check with the Instagram account. Okay. So here I am using the my details like Raju Cloudmaster is my username. See password I am typing. See I'm trying to log in here. Okay, fine. Okay. Now some what is it? Okay, Spring. Okay. So in the olden days, like I don't have any idea. I used to post in the Instagram by writing the Python code. Yes. By writing the Python code, you can post in the Instagram. Yes, that is possible. Yes. So how it will be possible? We have to check. Now we can see. 1 minute, I can show you the profile also. Now we can see. Okay. So if you're not this one, I think this one also I have posted. Now we can see. So this photo was uploaded by writing the Python script, you can see. Okay. So this even now we can see not only that one. So here only one image two images is available. In the two images generally in the newsletters articles will come, right? Find the differences matching. Here now we can see two dolls is available. The right side other image two dolls is not available. So here like a star is available. In the other image star is not available. Here one cherry is available. In the other image cherry is not available. That you don't need to work it out. If you write the Python code, automatically it will be identified the differences also. Okay. So now we can see I'm trying to write this. Okay. So let's see how much it will work. Okay. Now, so from this website, py.pi, we have to work with the packages. First, we have to look for the packages. What the packages is the better packages we have to see in the internet. The package name is what the Instabot. Excuse, sorry. Okay, Instabot. Let's see how many bots will be available here. Free Instagram Python bot. It's a private Instagram API. One image here it is there. Let's see the documentation. We have to look for the documentation first. Without documentation, it is really risky to work. Login. If you see the code like lengthy, you will get, but this is none of our code actually. So here is a lot of the documentation will be available. So let's check for the photos, upload fixed data Python file. So now we can see code is lengthy code is available. Really, I'm not interested to work with this very lengthy code. Upload your photos. Now we can see it looks very simple actually. Bot login, download bot, no, download photos by user. Now we can see. So in the Instagram also, profile pics also you can download. Very full clarity, full exactly 100% as clarity also we can download the profile user photos also. Download, not download, upload concept is required. Okay, one more thing. Suppose so you are having almost to 2000 followers here it is there. You see, all followers image at a time you wanted to like. It is really risky thing. Now we can see. So get followers like also here it is there. Now we can see somewhere like concept here it is there. Like you see here. Likes hashtags, likes locations, like medias, like users. All the users at a time you can learn. Now we can see here how many much I am following, like 2000 411 people I am following at a time. Within the fraction of seconds, I just wanted to do unfollow all my friends. You can execute within the minutes. Somewhere unfollow also you can see here. Unfollow everyone. If you execute this script, automatically within the seconds, all followers will be gone. Okay. Okay. Now let me use this topic. Excuse packages. So I'm looking for a package name is what? Instabot. I don't know whether it is working or not, but I will try it. Instabot, let me make it install latest version. It is installing, just give a minute. One minute, I will connect the charger. So still it is installing. So still it is installing. We have to wait for the installation. After completion only we can do perform activity. So even we can look for other things too. Who are working with like which one? Twitter. Okay. So in the Twitter also we are having the lot of the features that also we can work here. Sorry, it is installing. 1 minute. So meanwhile, let me download a good pic. What the image I just wanted to post here. Latest to today image. Best trends, latest technology. So let me save this image, save image as, sorry, save image as. We have to look for the location. So in the C drive location, users folder, Shivaji, Python project is available, you can see. So project one, here we can use logo, image. So still it is downloading. I don't know why this much time it is taking. Actually, it won't take that much time. In the olden days, it is installed within the minutes only. So you can see you got the file. Now we can see image.jpg. That's good. We got here now. So I think installation is successfully finished. That looks good now. So from instabot. So let me import bot, bot. Okay. So now doubt. So previously, charting capital letter is not there, but here capital letter is there. You see here, bot capital letter here it is there. So there is a simple rule is available in the Python as well in Java also. The class names we have to use what the capital letter we have to use. It's a simple logic I'm telling. So if you are creating the class name, no problem. We can create what object we can create. So in the Java, how you can create the object like bot chitti robo equal to new bot, bot. That's it. Object will be created. But here, you don't need to work with this lengthy code. Yes, really, you don't need to work with the lengthy code. You don't need to define the bot two times. One time is enough. Even you don't need to define what new keyword also. That's it. That's it. Our object is created. Bot, it's like a bot is a robo. Robo name is what? Chitti robo. Okay. So now we can see we have to tell a simple information to the user. Hey Chitti, dot. Now we can see all the suggestions you will get. Now we can see like, block, unblock, follow. So I just wanted to perform with the login operation, login. Now we can see we have to provide what the login. Yes, login details is really important. Then only the user can be login successful. So here you have to provide the username. Yes, username comma password. Sorry, 1 minute. Here we have to provide the username. Sorry, why I'm getting the error? Yes. So here we have to provide the username as well. Password we have to provide. Okay. So now here I am using my username. Here I am using what password of the Instagram account I am using. Okay. So but I'm suggesting you to not to use my your Instagram user email ID password to use anywhere. Okay. So I'm believing you. My username is what Raj Cloud Master. So password is, it's a very simple password. So Docker @1729 is my password. That's it. Okay. So now we can see I am providing the username and after that I am providing the password. Suppose if it is really successfully login, let me print a statement is what successfully login. First we have to check whether the our bot Chitti Robo is login successful or not. So let's run this. Now we can see it is taking some time. We got a warning message that means too many requests came. I will go to sleep for 5 minutes. Okay. So now we can see it's a small error we are getting. Every time you won't get the proper code. So no problem. I will try the code explanation after 2 minutes also. I will try it again. So now we can see after successfully logged in, hey Chitti dot upload a photo. Now we can see Chitti dot upload a photo concept, even Chitti dot upload video concept also is see upload photo, upload video, upload story photo. Okay. So filters using without profile photo also. Now we can see a lot of the options you will get. But I just wanted to work with the only upload photo, comma caption. Caption also you can see here, you can see. Okay. So here we have to use the photo. Photo name is what? Image dot image dot jpg. Okay, now we can see image dot jpg. This particular image I just wanted to upload. And after that, here we can provide what the caption also you can provide. Let me provide the what the caption. See a caption. Caption name equal to this photo is automatically uploaded by writing Python script. Okay. See, after uploading, I just wanted to print a simple message successfully uploaded. So now we can see this much very lengthy code I am providing to you. Now we can say I'm not eating your brains. Now we can say right click here, run. So it will take some less time it will take because it has to connect with the internet from the Python and in the background it has to check with the different types of APIs. You can see it will take some time. So I got the error message like a login returns 429 error. I go to sleep for 5 minutes. 5 minutes is really a risky thing. Now we can look for the other things. We can look for the documentation too, no problem. So photos concept, no. Upload photos. Upload photos. It's a very lengthy concept actually. Let's see. Login API. Bot test contribution documentation. 1 minute, the same code I will copy and I will look in the internet. Let's see how much it will work out. So in the olden days, it is used to work, but nowadays we have to come with the new things. Can't log in with Instabot. It is showing. See, I am facing the problems with the Instabot. I wanted to upload an image, but it gives an error. Now we can see the same code we are using. You can see. See my code here. It is there bot equal to chitti dot login username password I am providing, and after that photo that thing we are providing. So now from that I understood that the cookies doesn't add the details, so cookies we have to use. remove labs. Okay, so we have to work with the cookies because the code is updated. Okay, but here you can work 100% is here you can work with the different types of concept. Okay, he really it is failed one. No problem, but sometimes it will be happen. Now stop it. Let me run it again once last. Run this. Okay. So in the tomorrow session, what we are going to create? In the tomorrow session, suppose from Instabot you are importing. In the last class also from profanity, you are import from better profanity, you are importing what the profanity. Okay. So in the last class also from you have YouTube downloaders in the. So now we can see from the PyTube we have imported YouTube we have seen. See, why can't we import your name from Raju? You can import what? Suppose Raju is very good at like making the biryani. That biryani you are expecting at your home. From Raju, you can import biryani automatically. Biryani cooking procedure you will get. Suppose Raju is very good at the dancing, the dance style you wanted to learn. From Raju, let me import to dancing. See, Raju is very good at singing. You wanted to learn the singing, no problem. From Raju, you can import what the singing. Okay. Which means what we can create our own packages, our own modules. We have to work in the real time also. Okay. Suppose you are doing work, that work repeatedly is required. That work is required for the team mail. That work is required for the all team leaders. Now we can see every time you sharing the code is what the really risky thing. You can import the package. That's it. The people will use your name like from Raju import a login system will come from from Raju you wanted to import with the password check from Raju you wanted to import with the sign up process sign up from Raju you can even import with the bank transactions you can import the bank transaction flow and every style the people will work in the company with the packages only without packages without creating your own module working in the real time company is really risky thing. Okay. So in the very next class, what I'm going to teach you like how we can create our own package. Okay. From my name is Raju package. Suppose your name is Varsha package. Suppose your name is Kiran package. Your name is Sandhya package. We can create. Okay. So that we can see in the very next class. Is it fine for the today? Shall I close the session?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much for giving the confirmation.